back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Kristen and I upload DIY, lifestyle, shop with me, and life hack videos every week. If you like all of those things, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit that little notification bell so you don't miss a future video. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 of my Home Goods, Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, Target, fall shopping extravaganza. In this video, we are going to Marshalls and TJ Maxx, and if you haven't seen part 1 yet, I will leave a link in the description below. We go to Ross, Target, and Home Goods, so be sure to check that one out. If you've been following my channel, you will know that I am super obsessed with the fall, and I have just been shopping like crazy. Surprisingly, I haven't really bought that much, but I think that just this shopping aspect is the most fun part. So I'm just holding out, I'm shopping around, seeing what everybody's got, and then I'm gonna go back and then make my purchases. So, you know, you don't wanna just like buy everything at one place and then you head over to the next one. You're like, oh no, this one has like way better stuff. So I'm avoiding doing that this year, so I'm not returning everything over and over and over again. This doesn't need a super long introduction. Just make sure that if you are not doing this already, head over to Instagram and follow me. My tag is here. It is Hello Kristen with 2 N's at the end. Tag me, follow me, watch my stories. I am always shopping with me. Obviously I'm shopping with me. I'm always posting shop with me videos and stuff to my stories. Without further ado, let's go shopping.
I like love this blue and the white. Like the white is just so crisp and so nice, and I think it will go every single year, and you can use it well into like November. These are only like $6. That's amazing. The bigger one's 12. I've never heard this saying before. If the broom fits, jump on it. I'm pretty sure that's going to be my motto for the fall. Guys, I don't even know what color pumpkin theme to do this year. This one is so cute. This is like Cinderella vibes. This is so cool. It's like see-through. $9.99. I wish you can smell all of these pumpkin candles. One of my friends from home, she does a lot of stuff with Young Living. She actually messaged me on Instagram saying that the candle that I bought was really cute, but to really be careful because a lot of them have tons of toxins in them, and then when you burn them, you're just like emitting those toxins into your house. So you should really look for like handmade, essential oil-based candles. But one pumpkin candle is not gonna kill you, or 4, or whatever. I'll stop burning them after. I'll stop burning candles after fall. It's my outfit of the day, in case anyone's interested. Like classy, scary Halloween decor. I don't like the cheap looking ones, but that's kind of cute. Huh, this looks like the sorting hat from Harry Potter. That's adorable. So I guess they're making room for another fall display. So this is all they have right now, but it's enough. Look at the assortment of colors. I love it. I know I keep talking about all the fun colors, but I'm like so obsessed with it. This one is also $5.99, so they have the same price at Marshalls and at TJ Maxx. Okay, here's the fall stuff. It's in the back. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to get this for Cody's house because I think we're gonna have Friendsgiving this year. Oh my god, this lid is so heavy. What is this? This is like a, what are these things called? The, you know, but it's adorable. Pumpkin Kisses, Harvest Wishes. It's cute. I like this color orange, actually. This actually looks way better in person. It's like a lumbar pillow. It's a big one, and the color is way nicer in person too than it looks to be on camera. It's a very nice throw. Again, I don't think that the color is coming out nice, but it looks way nicer in person. Oh, the inside's fleece. I really like this blanket. This pillow is so cool. If this was like my style, I would so get it. The colors are like vibrant and it's like the real thin. It's not really velvet. It feels so nice. I'm obsessed with this. This is so cool. How much is it? It's by Max Studio. And it's $16.99. Guys, this is cool.
If you liked that video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and head over to check out part 1, link in the description below. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a future video, and I will see you next time.
I have